Hey everyone! After my last video on how to get free electronic components went viral, thank you so much by the way, many of you asked, where exactly do I find this electronics to salvage from? Well, today I'm going to show you my top spots to source free electronics that are full of useful parts. And so, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button so that you will be a part of the channel, and also you will not miss out on any of our new videos. From old DVD players to power supplies, I've collected hundreds of components without spending a single cent. Let me show you exactly where I find them and how you can also find them yourself. First up, e-waste collection points. Many cities have spots where people dump broken appliances. I've always asked permission, of course, and I'm careful what I pick. Old TVs, DVD players, printers, and even routers. Even if they're broken, there is almost always something inside worth salvaging. Next up, guys, electronic repair shops. These guys throw out a lot of stuff that's beyond repair. I walk in and ask politely if I could take some old boards, and they were happy to help. Bonus tips, guys, build a relationship and they will start saving stuff for you. Next up, guys, is your friends, families, or your neighbors. You'll be surprised how many people have a broken fan or phone laying around. I just posted on my WhatsApp and Facebook. Got old electronics? I'll take them. And look at what I got. Next up, guys, is online giveaways. Facebook Marketplace, Free Cycle, even local WhatsApp groups. People give away old electronics all the time. I search for things like broken, not broken, or spares only. So those are my go-to spots for finding free electronics to salvage. And trust me, once you start, you'll never look at old junk the same way again. So comment down below, what's the coolest thing you've ever found in old electronics? And so guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and electronic tips. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.